Hello, welcome back to SSIS course. Today in this lecture, I'm going to teach you to create a stage area table. So let's begin. So click start button, go to MS SQL Server Tools, then go MS SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, then click connect to connect your SQL server, then click databases, then choose your retail DW, then you see on the top is written new query, click new query. So before I start to do the stage area table, I'm going to tell you what is stage area table. Stage area table is a combination the all data that you have in your databases. It contains all the important information, important data that you need or that is important to you. So it's a combination all the data that you need to show. So in our retail DW we have 4 tables. So from there we are going to bring the all the important data that we think is important to us. So let's begin to create a stage area table. So create table stage area retail, before it's a db or dot. Okay, then you need to have you must have a primary key, otherwise it's not gonna work. So it's a stage area key integer identity, come on, not now. Now we can bring the other information from our 4 tables that we have. So first we are going to see the customer table. In a customer table, and we see that I think it's a customer ID is important. And when you are bringing the data from other tables, you must follow their data type, otherwise it's not gonna work. So as you see that customer ID has a float data type, so I'm going to write down float and then write down null. Then I'm going to bring gender, and virtual not null. Then I'm going to bring from the sales table. So sales representative is important for stage area table. After that I'm going to see the products from Macy's table. So I think there is important things we have to bring, and retail sites, because say huge. So let's begin with the bring from the message table, which is product name, and virtual max, not null, and then brand name, and virtual max, not null. Then we are going to bring price, some money, not null. Then we are going to bring, I think that's it for from the message table. Now I'm going to bring from the important data from retail sites table. So go to the location 2, I think it's the important location 2. So location 2 and virtual 255, and GIS address, and then zip code, and then we can bring the available, and availability and availability. I think that's it for our stage area retail table. So I'm going to run this one and check whether it works or not. So select all by Ctrl A, then click execute, and it has been worked successfully. So I'm going to refresh our database retail DW and click the tables, and I see there is a new table, it's called stage area retail, and I'm going to run this one. Click the right button and choose select top 1000 rows. I think it's not working, so I'm going to do another way. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much.